What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Complex, and we are back at it again. We get another jewelry review. This time it's going to be about my custom pendant that I ordered through Infinity Jewelers. Shout out to them. I want to give them a huge thanks. I really appreciate the guys' service and the communication and just everything, man, from start to finish with customizing the piece for me. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. I bring you guys the most raw content in regards to jewelry reviews, shoe reviews, and I also bring my songs to the table as well. So with that being said, if you're already on my channel and you're not new to the channel, you already know what's popping. We're about to get into this unboxing, and I can't tell you how happy I am. I've been waiting for this thing for about 5 weeks. Took 5 weeks to, customize, design the way that I like it. It is a pendant. It's a skull pendant. The back is not solid. The material, I got it at a 925 sterling silver because I didn't want it to be 14 karat gold or 14 karat white gold, rose gold. I didn't want it to be too out there. I wanted something to be plain, something that obviously wouldn't fade or tarnish or turn my skin green, but I wanted it to be simple, okay? The diamonds that I got in it are SI diamonds, and man, these things pop. Now, with the lighting that I'm choosing today, may or may not pop, but I do have a B-roll for you guys. The light right here that I'm using is pretty bright. It's at nighttime. Obviously, I'm recording this at night. We've got the lights off. But yeah, let's get into this video. But before I get into that video, I do have a giveaway. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is. But once I hit 700 subscribers, I'm going to give this bad boy away. Once I hit 600 subscribers, I'm going to give this bad boy away. You guys already know what this is. This is a 6 size piece. This is their white gold. Okay. This one is an 8-inch, and I also have shop GLDs right here. Again, I apologize for the lighting. It's very bright. I can tone it down just a little bit. But yeah, the unboxing, it's right here. Okay, it did come in a package for US priority shipping mail. Let me turn this up just a little bit more. And I'm also going to be using the diamond selector, and I got it ready for you guys. With that being said, let's get into this video. Let's take this video up to, man, let's get 500 likes for this. Bro, I'm bringing you guys something real, something authentic, something that you guys haven't seen on the internet, something that none of the other YouTubers are doing for you. I'm doing my own custom piece. So let's get into this video. I open it, this is a box, okay? If you guys are wondering why I'm not doing this on my camera, honestly, I don't like how I have to switch over to the camera and do all the editing from there. On the editing on my phone, it's way simple. The editing software that I have on my computer kind of sucks. I need to update that. And it would have been in 4K resolution, but I got an iPhone 11, so this should be a 4K anyway. 4K resolution in regards to an iPhone. But yeah, came in this, okay? Something simple, nothing too crazy. Ooh. Y'all see the drip? Y'all see the drip? Y'all see the drip, 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 boy? Y'all see that? I know you guys see it hitting. Now I have a B-roll already that I had them take for me, and it's amazing. The quality on it is gorgeous. The chain that I got is a 20-inch chain. It's a silver chain just to match the pendant. I didn't want to do anything or change the color on it. But man, I'm so happy. This chain has a lot to do with my deployments as a Marine in the infantry. There's a lot of meaning behind it in regards to what I've seen, what I've done, what I've witnessed. A lot of death, obviously. I won't go into too many details in regards to that. because a lot of that stuff is confidential in regards to everything that we did over there. But we're gonna throw this bad boy on, okay? Like I said, the back is not full, or it's not solid, okay? And again, shout out to Infinity Jewelers, man. Y'all like my hair? Finally got a haircut for y'all. My hair look like ass right now. But anyway, shout out to Infinity Jewelers, man. It's my first time wearing this piece. It's my first time unboxing this piece. This is my first time having a real custom piece. Now I do have a bracelet that I ordered from Frost New York, or Frost NYC, but this piece right here, it's me, okay? And again, this is the up close for you guys. SI diamonds, and they hit. Okay. I paid around $1,800 for it. And I'm happy. I really love this. You could wear it. I got it mainly in silver because I like wearing a lot of black. When you wear black, the jewelry pops a lot. When I'm out in public, this thing is gonna shine, I already know. I'm not gonna wear it every single day, but I am gonna wear it when I do go to the studio, because it's just me, man. It feels like I'm gonna bring out that energy that I need to bring to the studio and put out some good content for you guys. And again, like, y'all see the drip? You see the drip? Y'all see the drip? I know everybody do this. I look hella dumb doing it, but whatever. Y'all see it? Okay. Man. And I couldn't be any happier. Again, shout out to Infinity Jewelers. Hit them up on Instagram. Just type in Infinity Jewelers. They'll pop up. Or you can go to my Instagram, Complex916. And then just message them from there, man. They can do anything you want. Pendants, bracelets, watches. They got Rolexes, they got APs. I mean, if you're balling like that, they got anything that you want. Really great customer service. And I really enjoyed doing my first custom piece for you guys, man. Like, I don't know, this is clean. You see it? It's there. I like it. I'm in love with it. Matches Shop GLD's white gold. Like I was saying before, guys, Infinity Jewelers, okay? I am going to leave in the description below a few links. The first two links is gonna be Shop GLD and Infinity Jewel, 6 Eyes, okay? It's going to be for my influencer program that I have through them. Whenever you guys click the link and you make a purchase, I do get around, I think it's like 10% of the sale. And that definitely helps out with this YouTube channel. I wanna do better content for you guys, better pendants, and I do just want the channel to grow in general. The next one is gonna be to Infinity Jewelers webpage, and then the last three are going to be to my music. I need you guys to hit those links for my music. I need you guys to stream my music. I do bring good content for you guys. Whatever you guys want me to rap about, throw it in the comments below. I mean, I take a challenge on anything. I do a remix pretty much on whatever song you would want me to do. But yeah, man, if you guys can help me out and help the channel grow, I want to grow with you guys. I want to bring you guys better quality. I want to do more custom pieces like this. Yeah, and I appreciate every single thing that you guys have done for me. Like I said, I'm going to be doing some giveaways in regards to this 6 Ice bracelet. I'm also going to do a giveaway on this, which you don't know what it is, and I'm not gonna tell you until I hit around 650, 700 subscribers. But yeah, man, let's get this channel growing. Let's pop off in this channel. I need you guys to leave the comments below and let me know what you guys think about the pendant, and I'm about to start the B-roll. Complex is out.
That's what I fucking need. I'll never feel that shit again, and that shit really fucks with me. Hey, in the pain, I'm really feeling that. Give us Marco Mata, and I swear you could take Iggy back. You could have that nigga Trump if you would give us Skilly back. I would trade you anyone if you would bring my niggas back. Hey, forgive me if I'm speaking out of turn, but you done took my brothers from me now, and that shit really hurt. No, I gotta keep it pushing, cause they living through my work, and I'ma do it for them niggas till they put me in the dirt. The lost ones, I'ma do it for them, but why you take them? We was supposed to make it through to the end. My heart is hurting, I ain't stable, and I usually am, but when I get up to heaven, I'll never lose them again. The lost ones, I'ma do it for them, but why you take them? We was supposed to make it through to the end. My heart is hurting, I ain't stable, and I usually am, but when I get up to heaven, I'll never lose them again. The lost ones.